I have created my digital business card and would now like to use it at the trade fair. To check my current business card again, I tap on Preview. Here, I can see what information is being shared with my conversation partner. I can share the link to my digital business card via a QR code, for example. To do this, I tap on the card and see my personal QR code. This can be scanned by my conversation partners, either with a conventional QR code scanner or with the snapADDY Business Cards app itself. I can also share my business card with my contacts via email or messenger. To do this, I go to Share and select the appropriate application. I can also save my business card in my Google or Apple wallet and share it with others using the QR code. If I want to change information later, for example, because my job title has changed, I tap on Edit and update the information. If I no longer need the business card, I can delete it here. I can then no longer access the business card via the current link. If I create a new business card, a new link will also be created. Existing QR codes are then also no longer valid. Now you know how the digital business card can be used. If you have any further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us.